here.
Jennifer.
Ow. Jenny, look at Daddy. Jenny. Jennifer, looky, what's over here? Jenny?
Help, give me
Look
that.
what's over here, Jenny. Look at Daddy.
Give me that. Give me that.
Hi, Jennifer.
It's shining right down her face. You can just put your bag.
Oh, where's your magic wand, Michelle?
Oh, here.
Didn't have her shoes on either.
Wow.
Michelle, tell me why you came in from trick-or-treating.
Well, you pooped out.
Did your feet hurt? My feet hurt, huh? Jenny, look at Daddy. Jenny.
Big smile, Michelle.
See, trick-or-treat.
Wave your magic wand. Wow. All right. Okay.
Snickers bar. Mr. Goodbar. Oh, Grandma likes Mr. Goodbar.
Hi, Jenny.
She does.
Jennifer.
Tootsie Rolls.
What are you doing,
Bears.
Jenny?
Jenny, go like this. Jenny.
Hey,
Jenny.
Michelle. Michelle, dump out your candy.
Dump it all
Show
out.
us how much candy you got.
Dump it all out.
Whoa. That's a lot of candy.
Jenny, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Jennifer.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
I think she's eating it with the package and all.
No, she's eating the gummy bears.
Hey,
Look at
Jenny.
Daddy. Good girl. Remember the first time Michelle went, she ate the whole bag in one night. Jenny's going to do the same thing.
Yep.
Get half of it out. You don't
Oh,
put
that's
that many
good.
gummy
Nice.
bears in your mouth at the same
Nina.
time. Look at that big sparkle.
Sparkle.
So ladylike yourself. Do you know what Mommy used to do when she was a little girl? She used to take all of her candy out and she used to sort it all out. Put all the candy bars together. And all the suckers together. And all the little candy bars together. And her and her sister used to trade.
Now do it.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween!
Trick or treat, Jenny.
Trick or treat.